rig for a quick ride. You know, I think there's a hole in the catalytic converter or something. A little tiny exhaust that picked up the manifold. Doesn't seem to be there. It's that little exhaust. I mean, obviously you're hearing it too. I had to run my hand around it. I can't feel the exhaust leak coming out of the pipe because I think it's underneath the exhaust shield. Not sure I can worry about it too much, but one day it'll need to be fixed. But I was just taking it for a drive here. I just right down the street a couple of miles here, and shift's good. Don't need grinding on any of the gears or anything. I'll just take a little run down here. Drive's good too. Probably drive better if I was one-handed here with the camera in my hand. That's through second, third. Shifts into second with no problem. So I think it's just all on that transmission strut pushing, obviously. And I think you're good to go. I think you're going to be really happy with it. And we went from a misdiagnosis on this thing, from condemning it to putting her back on the highway. It's always nice to bring that stuff around. I thought for sure that the secrets were ripped out of the tranny. Alright, we shut the camera off here, get back on the main highway, and let me know when you want to pick it up.